welcome to the channel TechTap. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5 most overlooked Windows app you should try in 2022. These all apps are already installed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So the first one is Calculator. You can open it by using Here you will see a standard calculator, but you can change that by using this icon. Here you can select scientific, graphing, programmer and data calculation calculator, or you can also use other converter tools like currency, volume, length and other. The second one is clock. Again, you can open it by using start. The clock, like name suggests, isn't only a clock app. It has other functions like focus sessions, which help in your daily routine work by giving you a small break in between. You can also use timer, alarms, stopwatch and word clock. In word clock, you can set different time for different countries. The next one is called Maps. Again, you can open it by using start. And in Maps, you can see different countries and other things like that. If you are living in US, you can also use their direction features to plan out your next trip. The next one is Weather app. In Weather app, you can see the current weather and forecast for upcoming week, and you can also see hourly, graph and other details like moonrise, moonset and other, and also see historical weather. And the last one is Microsoft Store. In early days, Microsoft Store was a letdown, but now it has completely redesigned and hosts most of the apps you want, like social media apps, entertainment and other, and also includes paid apps as well as free apps as well. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, share your video with friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.